The LG refrigerator 1F error code indicates a problem with the ice maker. As detected by the control board, this issue can be caused by frosting around the ice maker fan or a spoiled ice maker fan motor and blades. To resolve this problem, start by defrosting the affected areas. Unplug the refrigerator, switch off the fridge water supply, and pull out the back panel of the freezer compartment. Remove all items from the freezer and leave the refrigerator door open for at least 8 hours to defrost, or use the auto defrost function if available. After defrosting, check if the issue has been resolved. If not, inspect the ice maker fan by unplugging the wiring harness to separate the panel and the fan. And defrost if you notice any buildup. Check if the fan blades and motor are the cause of the problem. If the motor is faulty, use a multimeter to test for a continuous electrical path. Replace any broken blades and adjust those that don't turn off properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the 1F error code on your LG refrigerator.